Hey, your AC just stopped working. It's 100 degrees outside. Your house is getting hotter every minute, and you're wondering who you can actually trust to fix it today. If you're in Rancho Cucamonga or anywhere in the Inland Empire, you're in the right place. My name is Michael. I'm a military veteran and owner of Love Home Services, and today I'm going to show you exactly how we get your air conditioner working again the same day. Here's the truth that most homeowners don't realize. Air conditioners rarely fail randomly. They fail during the hottest days of the summer because the system has been under stress for months. Refrigerant slowly drops, capacitors wear down, air filters clog, coils get dirty, electrical parts start overheating, and by the time it hits 105 degrees outside, the system simply can't keep up anymore. The good news is that most AC failures are actually very fixable if the right technician shows up with the right parts, and that's exactly what we do. Here's what happens when you call Love Home Services. First, a real person answers the phone, not a robot, not a voicemail. Someone from our team answers between 7 in the morning and 8 o'clock at night. We confirm your symptoms, verify your address, and give you same-day arrival window. When our technician arrives, you'll recognize the van, the uniform, the professionalism immediately. We come prepared to diagnose and fix the problem on the first visit. Our diagnostic process starts outside at the condenser. We check refrigerant pressure, capacitor health, contactor condition, coil cleanliness, airflow performance. Then we move inside the home. We inspect the evaporator coil, drain line, blower system, and thermostat controls. Most diagnostics take about 15 to 20 minutes because we know exactly what to look for. Our team has over 30 years of combined HVAC experience and over 10 years of plumbing. Here in the Inland Empire, we don't guess, we diagnose. The most common AC problems we see in Rancho Cucamonga are actually simple repairs. Bad capacitors, low refrigerant, dirty coils, failed contactors. The reason most companies make you wait days is because they don't carry the parts. We do. That means most systems are repaired same day in one visit. Cold air restored fast. Before we fix anything, we show you exactly what's wrong. You get a clear, itemized quote for parts and labor, nothing hidden. No surprise charges, no pressure. You approve the repair before we start. If the repair doesn't make financial sense, we'll tell you honestly, because doing the right thing is how you earn trust in the community. Love Home Services is licensed, insured, and veteran owned. California Contractor License 1076894. We stand behind our work with our fixed right or it's free guarantee. That's how we protect homeowners across Rancho Cucamonga, Upland, Claremont, and the Inland Empire. If your AC stopped working today, don't wait until Thursday. Call Love Home Services right now at 909-762-8158. If you call before noon, we can usually get a technician to your home this afternoon. You can also schedule online at lovehomeservices.com. We're here to restore your comfort today. I'm Michael Picasso with Love Home Services, and we'd love the opportunity to earn your trust. Thank you.